Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to reset all trusted computers from any iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Friends, if you no longer want to trust a computer or other devices, change the privacy setting on your iPhone. To change privacy setting, firstly launch settings, scroll down and tap general, scroll down and tap reset, and under reset tap reset location and privacy. Put your passcode and tap again reset settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.